Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Ducati 1199 Panigale S Tricolore. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Ducati 1199 Panigale S Tricolore with 7,766 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with a Termagoni exhaust, a clear clutch cover, a rear fender eliminator kit, and a tinted windscreen. Powered by an 1198cc L-twin engine, the Panigale puts 195 horsepower and 98 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Panigale has a 130 to 160 mile range. It has a 32.5-inch seat height and a 420-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Panigale will need rear turn signals and a plate bracket and plate light. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a chip in the fairing plastics. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.